How to delete pins on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Quick Guide. Here you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on diverse range of topics. In today's video, I will show you how to delete pins in Pinterest. For that, open your Pinterest app or website. This is your home page. First, find your pins here. To find your pins, click on the profile icon below in the left of the screen. These are the pins that you have saved in your Pinterest app. Select the pin you want to delete. Click on this picture. To delete this pin, click on three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then click on Edit Pin. You will see Delete this pin option below here. Click on it, and it will ask you if you really want to delete this pin or not. If you delete this pin, you won't be able to get it back. So if you really want to delete it, then go ahead and click on that delete button. Now your pin has been deleted. So this is how it is done. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.